Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy A71 5G coming to all major US carriers. This is brought to you by phonescoop.com. So I think it's a very good information that we want to share with you guys, especially with new phones coming out and 5G as well, kind of around the corner. Yes, 5G is already available in some markets, but let's go ahead and see what this phone has to offer. So remember guys, this is Samsung has came out with a lot of A series phones lately, and this is the newest one. I know like other carriers, prepaid carriers usually have the A20 and the A10e, and some even carry the A50, but this is the A71 5G, and like I said, it's coming to all major US carriers. So let's go ahead and check this out. So it says Samsung's new mid-range 5G phone, the Galaxy A71 5G, will be available from T-Mobile and Sprint this Friday. Wow, for $600. So guys, a couple days from now, this phone will be available for $600. You might be saying that's kind of expensive. Well, remember, it is a 5G phone, and they're pretty expensive right now. So, but to tell the truth, at least in the US, this is the cheapest one I've seen. There's the Samsung Galaxy the S20s, and then of course the OnePlus 8s and all that stuff, and the 7, I believe, does 5G as well. Just off the gate, even LG has a 5G phone now, the V60, which is pretty good actually. But it says Samsung has also made it official that both Verizon and AT&T will offer the phone later this summer. So later this year, probably next month or so, since our summer already started, Verizon and AT&T will offer it, but first dibs is going to be T-Mobile and Sprint, especially with them kind of merging and stuff. So it says, we broke the news about the Verizon version of the A71 5G a month ago. T-Mobile and Sprint will offer the Galaxy A71 5G in a Prism Cube black finish. The A71 5G is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 chip, has a 6.7-inch Full HD AMOLED display, guys. Wow, with a 4,500 milliamp battery, big battery. It includes 25-watt fast charging, of course, quad rear cameras, including a 64 megapixel main camera and 6 gigabytes of RAM, guys. Wow, this thing is slam packed of, I would say, definitely worth it for maybe the price for $600. I mean, it's giving you a lot of good things that Android does offer, and Samsung's really beefing up this phone. It says T-Mobile also announced today that it will carry many of other models in Samsung's latest A series of phones. The slightest cheaper, there's the A51 5G. Whoa, a slightly cheaper Galaxy A51 5G phone will come to T-Mobile and Sprint and Metro brands this summer. So wow, so they're really trying to make 5G accessible to a lot of people. I'm actually interested in that A51 5G model. I'm guessing that one's probably gonna be $450 or $500. If it's that price range, it might be pretty good. And then of course, the company also offers, like I was talking about, the entry level A series phones like the A01, the A11, the A21, ranging from $160 to $250 guys. So wow, pretty good news. I mean, there's the phone. I think it actually looks very nice. I like that it's a big screen and it does have 4 cameras. Of course, we'll see what them cameras do, and if Samsung's optimizes that camera system that it has. So we'll see. Hopefully it will come to other carriers probably this year, including Metro. Well, it is coming Metro by T-Mobile, but Boost Mobile and Cricket as well. So very excited to see what they're going to do. And like I said, I'm guessing this is going to be available with Boost Mobile as well, just because, with the whole merger going on, and the SIM card swap should give it an advantage and all that stuff. So pretty cool news. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Like I said, this phone's supposed to come out Friday, which I'm kind of excited for, to see what it has to offer. Maybe I'll pick it up and unbox the thing and see what's good with it. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Dragonic Warfare sign off. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this phone. Is it worth it? And are you excited for 5G? And is it available in your area? Thank you.